Thank you so much for checking in. Mr. Mitsubishi here. In today's video, I just wanted to give you a little bit of walk around on our lot. We have construction going on. I want to let you know what's going on here, how is the building going to look, and if you're here in Port Coquitlam coming up to Tricity Mitsubishi, this is what you're going to see. It's going to be a little bit messy for now until it gets a little bit better. I want to show you where our Mitsubishis are and what's going on here. Right now, this is how the building looks. They start to tear down these things. This whole thing is gonna come off and there's gonna be a lot of construction going on. Let me show you how it's gonna look at the end of it. Okay, this is how it's gonna look, right? Pretty big difference. Same building, exactly same building. We have beautiful entrance right here. Nice, this Mitsubishi Motors side element right here. It's gonna be right there on that building. Tri-City name is going to be a little bit different. I really like this new writing on the front that they'll have. The biggest addition, they will have service drive-through. So right now, if you can see it right here, we have entrance door over there, but that thing is going to be gone. They'll build in a little bit more of a building, and this is where people will have drive-through service. As you go here, you'll maybe just go in there, they'll open the gate and off you go, and you can do your servicing on there. So that's going to be a lot different. Right now, let's check out what kind of Mitsubishis we have in a lot, and let's check the construction a little bit closer. Okay, we have all sorts, all trim levels, all colors, orange, blue, silver, whatever you want. RVRs, gas Outlanders, Eclipse Crosses, and PHEVs. We have everything. We have also the special built Outlander version. So this one here is our off-road version that we did, still for sale. You can have it. And we have here right now our new Mr. Mits vehicle. So this one here is Noir Edition PHEV 2024, one of the last 2024s that you can get. I absolutely love our plates, Mr. Mits. That's how you know that you're here the right place. This is where I reside, in this Tri-City Mitsubishi in Port Coquitlam. This is my favorite. It looks so cool. Let's see, it's open. No, we locked it. So we're charging it, but we locked it. So there we go. We can see no key detected. Key is somewhere inside. This vehicle is on hazards and is just charging right now. So that way we can get all that EV range for our clients. This is our test drive, designated test drive model. But of course, if you want to test drive this or any other vehicle, silver color, any other color, you can do so. You're not just restricted to that one vehicle. Anything you wish, you can test ride, and we have lots to choose from. And we also have a storage facility where we keep different trim levels, different cars, and everything else. As you can see, oh, here's another one. So this one is a beauty. It's a gas version, 2024, a GT Noir. So beautiful vehicle. Absolutely love the black wheels and everything else. Okay. And of course, we have some used cars over there. Let's go and check out the construction side right now. One thing to keep in mind, as you can see, these cars are all pulling up here, and then we have a little bit of a fence right up front, and then this fence at a later date is going to be moved towards the side, and then you'll be able to park right here. But for now, this is how the parking looks. It's a bit challenging, so we have some cars parked here, and then we also have lots parked there, and then we're going to do our best to just free up entire space, so that way we have a lot more parking. So wherever you see, just park your car somewhere, even if it's blocking some of our cars, that's okay. Just park somewhere, come inside, tell your sales guy, your service advisor where you are. We're gonna look after you. When it comes to building, this is how it looks. Like I said, they're right now tearing this thing down, so this thing is gonna come off, and we have all sorts of garbage bins to take care of that. We have Tri-City sign that is going to change. The new facade is going to look absolutely awesome. And once this one here is kind of a bit of a done, then they'll start to build this service area, service drive-through. And again, I'll give you some updates as we kind of move along here, but it's going to be pretty cool. All these cars have been gone, and it's going to be drive-through service right here. Very exciting moment. And of course, the interior of the dealership is going to change a lot. Very exciting moment for us here at Tri-City Mitsubishi. So there we go. Just wanted to check out, share a little bit update on what's going on. If you're pulling in, don't be afraid. We're open. Construction sale is happening. If you're in the market for a new used car, we need some space here, okay? So we need to sell probably about like 50 cars or so. So we're gonna do whatever we can to give you deals and everything else, just to move some inventory around. So okay, thank you so much for checking out this video. There we go, that's how we're looking, and see you here.